How to pair JBL Flip 5 with Bluetooth device. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, turn on your Bluetooth device by clicking on power button. After it's turned on, go to your phone, then go to settings. After clicking on settings, you'll find Bluetooth in here. Turn on your Bluetooth. After you turn on your Bluetooth, you'll find JBL Flip 5 option. Click on JBL Flip 5 to connect. After clicking on JBL Flip 5, your device will be connected to JBL Flip 5. And that's how you pair JBL Flip 5 with Bluetooth device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.